Jai Boli guys, I hope everybody is doing well and are in best of health. Welcome to my channel Triambaka Tarot Readings. My name is Jasmine. Today's reading is going to be the usual. You have to ask a question in your mind. I'm going to answer it in a yes or no. Along with it, I'm going to give you a suggestion card as to how you should be dealing with the situation. A blessing card from the Ganesha Oracle deck and angel messages and miracle messages for the soul. So let's begin. For today's choices, we have 3 crystal pyramids right in front of you. The first one is labradorite. The second is white agate. And the third is sunstone. If you would like to take a moment to choose the choice of crystal, you can pause the video and then select as you please. I will begin now. The first group of people who have selected labradorite as the choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind and your answer is a yes. Your time is finally changed. The time is going to favor you now because the Wheel of Fortune is here. You had a lot of expectations and you had to walk away from something, or you had to disconnect yourself emotionally from something, or you were kind of thinking now things are not going to work. But it seems like it is going to work, but somewhere it's not. As this card is here, I always say, in this card, I always say, it's not the actual effect of having a yes in our life. It is something people would say, wow, there are changes in you, but you inside, you haven't made the drastic change that you wish to. But yes, in front of the eyes of the other world or the people, things are going to change. But in just a yes or no answer, your answer is coming a yes. Let's see what your suggestion card says. Your suggestion card says, be very careful not to be very blunt in front of people. Not everybody is going to understand the journey that you're going through, or the pain that you're going through. Be also very careful of speaking your truth and whom to speak your truth. Don't take any BS from anybody, or don't let anybody do any BS to anybody, and don't take any BS from anyone as well. And just speak your truth where it's required. Okay. Your Ganesha message here is guidance, a beautiful card. It had come in the last reading also. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and Ganeshji. Here I always say that this is you, as in saying, in general. Hypothetically speaking, this is you. So they say that yes, everything should be beginning with praying to Ganesha first and then to Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. So here it is saying, follow your gut, follow your inner guidance, because you already have that, because you are a spiritual person, or you take the divine help. You already have the knowledge, the insight as to what you need to do. So it's better you follow your inner self and your inner guidance rather than going to people and taking advice from them. Your angel message is not the right time. Now this doesn't mean not now, not yet. It just means that maybe the situation will improve and this is not the time for you to get exactly the 100% results that you're looking for. And your miracle message is, I begin my day with love. Isn't that beautiful? Once you wake up, you have 2 choices, and that choices depends on the word called attitude. How you deal with things is going to determine how your day is going to be. Either you can be in a bad mood throughout the day, or you can be in a good mood throughout the day. So when you wake up in the morning, you need to really tell yourself that today I'm going to do everything with love. Trust me, doing such things in the morning when you wake up, it really does help making your day a little better than the usual. I hope this reading helped. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like button. The second group of people who have chosen white agate as the choice of crystal, please put a question in your mind, and your answer is a yes, and it's 100% yes. But I see the Tower card as well, so be very careful. Whatever it is that you're dealing with, you're trying to balance. Maybe you will not there is a hair coming on my, I'm sorry, there is a hair in my face, I don't know. Okay, I had to do that. So you were trying to balance things, but you will not like certain things, and there might be something good like a celebration also, and a better understanding in a relationship. But be careful, as this might be short lived, or there's another way to say this, that things had gone wrong in the past and now it's time for a change. Let's see what your suggestion card says. Be very careful of giving in the relationship more than required, or be very careful or be very mindful if the person is giving in equally in the relationship or not. This could go for other people, not talking about the relationships. Someone is probably wanting your help, or someone needs your help, or right now you need assistance. So don't feel shy to ask for it. Let's see what the Ganesha says. Relaxation. It's a very beautiful card. Right now you need to relax, take a break and enjoy the scenery. That means just have the gratitude and try to listen to your body, the red flags that it's giving you. Maybe you've overworked yourself, maybe things haven't gone wrong, have gone wrong, like the Tower card was also here. So I would say, if in case something goes wrong, don't panic, because this will pass if you don't end up reacting to it and let the the aggression or the situation pass through. Okay, the angel message says the situation will improve, just like I said. As the Ganesha card is also saying, relaxation. If in case the situation comes to this, it will improve. So don't react, don't overreact, just stay calm. Your miracle message here is, I make decisions from a place of intuition and power. Now, if you are aware consciously, you will never overreact to a situation. So it's very clear and appropriate to your reading that have the power over your mind to calm yourself in panicked situations. I hope this reading made sense to you and it helped. Let's get down to the third group of people, the Sunstone. Please put a question in your mind, and your answer is also a yes. And probably you lot have not been having good sleep, so you have been really worried about your own self, about your finance, about your security, and about your image. I think you're going to achieve it. You were anyways not listening to anybody. You were doing what you wanted to do, and you had the courage to do what people said you shouldn't. So the answer is coming a yes. Let's see what the suggestion card says for you. The suggestion card says, be very mindful of speaking your truth. It's the same as the group 1. You can see both the cards are the same. So the first group suggestion goes the same for the third one. Be very careful whom you speak the truth to. Don't take any BS from anybody, and don't do anything wrong to anybody as well. Just stay calm. Only when it's required, open your mouth and speak your truth. Otherwise, just be very aware of what's happening around you. The Ganesha message and a blessing for you is childlike expression. Now, it makes sense to the suggestion card that has come for you. A person who's intelligent does not overreact and is just calm and notices everything. For you, the time right now is to be like a child. What does a child do? It is not judgmental. It doesn't judge anyone or a situation. It just behaves in awe of everything around him and in happiness. Whatever it is that has happened, just be in the moment and enjoy. There is nothing wrong happening. There is no such thing called as bad or good. I've kept the door open and the mosquitoes are coming in now. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so just be like a child right now, where you are just in awe of a situation, where you're just happy that you're alive, you're healthy, you have all your loved ones around you, and you're just in the moment. Your angel message says, big happy changes. I just makes so much sense. So, big happy changes are around the corner. Just don't be judgmental about your own self, about people, and just think that everything is a blessing and every day is a blessing. Your miracle message is, I let go and allow the universe to do her thing. My God, such appropriate readings and cards. Because I open it in front of you while recording, so even I get kind of surprised that wow, it's so appropriate. So just let go, be in the moment. It is what it is, and God is going to do what it's supposed to be done. Everything will happen to people who deserve good or bad. Don't judge, just let go and be in the moment and think of gratitude and happiness. I hope this reading made sense and you liked it. Please do follow me on Instagram at triambaka.in. And till next video, I'll see you soon. Jai Bhole.